Hello, it's me again. No, I'm not a ghost. I'm still here, a little older, a little wiser, a little greyer in the hair, and a few more wrinkles on my face. And let me tell you, it doesn't matter how much hyaluronic acid or bat cack or whale jizz that you use, wrinkles are inevitable. Learn to live with it. For the first video, after a very long absence, I thought I'd remake one of my very early videos for the Egyptian street food, Hawawshi. Why? Well, just look at this thumbnail. It's a big isn't it? So let's get on with making some Hawawshi. Wow! So we'll start with the veggies. I've got an onion, a green capsicum, a couple of green chilies, a tomato and a bunch of coriander. First thing to do is coarsely chop the lot. Put all the veggies in a food processor and have a whiz. Good whiz. Put the whiz in a bowl together with 450 grams of minced meat. This happens to be lamb. A crushed clove of garlic, about a tablespoon of tomato paste, a tablespoon of dried parsley, and a mixture of spices. There's some paprika, some allspice, some black pepper, some cardamom powder, a bit of cinnamon and a little bit of cumin. See the video description for details. And plenty of salt too. Now go to town like your life depends on it. All nicely mixed. Now I've got some pita breads here. I'm going to cut one in half. Carefully open up the pocket. It's like a little mitten. And spoon some of the whiz inside. You don't want to overfill these. A little bit. There we go. Yeah, that'll do. I'll do the same with the other pita breads. Now grab yourself a baking tray and put the Hawawshi on them. Brush with some melted butter, then put into an oven at 200 degrees centigrade for about 30 to 40 minutes. About halfway through cooking, very carefully turn them over. Serve with a bit of salad, it makes a smashing tea. By the way, do you like my jumper? It's brilliant because I can dribble as much curry or gravy or tomato sauce on it as I want and you can't see it. In fact, I only need to wash it once a year when it gets so hard that I just can't get it on. That doesn't sound right. Anyway, join me next time in Titley's Not So Busy Kitchen with me, Titley Nihan. Until then, Khuda Hafiz.